I'm gonna go to crazy mode. Let's call this ludicrous mode. This is like the highest you can go on this thing. Oh my god. Oh shit. No, this isn't deja vu. And yes, this is another Pedal Commander video because the Z has the same lazy, laggy gas pedal that the G did. But this is not gonna be a how-to install video because I already went into depth on that old video. I'll put that one in the description. You can go check it out later. So let's get to it. Okay, it's done. Took me about 5 minutes. Like I said in my other video, I actually removed the pedal assembly completely. You don't have to do that. You can get it through up here. And I have the wire tucked in behind the carpet here, going up around the steering column. And I settled on this spot here, which I think it's perfect. It's out of the way, and I can actually see it. I can see it through the steering wheel here, and I can make changes on the fly. So I think that's the best spot. I also thought about maybe tucking in here, but this material is a little, it's not really plastic. It's got like a foamy, rubbery texture to it. So I think on this hard plastic, this sticks better. So this actually can come off, and so can this, because it's a double-sided Velcro tape. But that's it, all done. So now we just gotta go test it. I'm gonna leave it off for now, and I'll join you guys in the one of my favorite empty parking lots soon, in a minute. All right, here we are. I'm in the empty area, and I'm gonna go to crazy mode. Let's call this ludicrous mode. This is like the highest you can go on this thing. So let's see how this thing feels. I'm willing to guarantee that it's not even going to be drivable, because I've tried it on the G, and it's just, yeah, it's too much. But let's see how sensitive that. I barely touched the pedal. Holy sh. All right, let that car pass. Oh my god. Whoa, shit. I mean, I guess if you want to wake your ass up really in the morning and not have to drink coffee, I guess this is the way to do it. I'm gonna turn back around, and I think I'm gonna put it at city +4, which is where I keep it on the G. I think that's like the sweet spot. This is just a little bit too much. On the automatic, you can get away with it. On the stick shift, not, because I don't want to end up burning out my clutch trying to match, you know. But I mean, yeah, you can feel it. You can definitely feel it. So I know for a fact, 1000%, this is working. All right. Let's do where I think it needs to be, city +4. Put this back here. What a perfect spot. It's like, I don't think I would have been able to mount that anywhere else, you know, to work out like this. All right, here we go. Yeah, that's the way this is supposed to feel from the factory. I don't understand why Nissan did that. I mean, I think I've talked about this. Most likely fuel economy and whatever other, I mean, that's got to be number one, really, because, you know, your gas pedal is supposed to feel, you know, quick. So this is for the people that always ask me, can I do this even if I'm not tuned? Yes, this car is not tuned, and the Pedal Commander is working perfectly. But this is how it's supposed to feel. Oh my God. You know what really grinds my gears? When I read comments from the keyboard warriors saying that these devices don't do anything and that all you have to do is press down on the gas pedal harder to get the same effect. I'm like, what? Do you even know how this stuff works? The predetermined signal is already programmed into the ECU, and it doesn't matter if you or if Usain Bolt, the fastest man in the world, is driving, it won't boost the signal. These people don't even have any first-hand experience. It's always, I heard from a friend's uncle whose nephew's brother's dad's grandma had one of these and it didn't work. Estos locos. For those of you that have been thinking about getting this, I promise you, get it, do it. You're not gonna be disappointed. I am 1000% happy with the one that's in my G and now in this one, and both cars are now perfect drivability wise when it comes to gas pedal. So thanks again for watching, and I will see you at the next one.